Hello, and welcome to this lesson on how to install PC Matic. Before we get started, we highly recommend that you uninstall any previous antivirus before installing PC Matic and Super Shield. The reason you would want to do this is because having more than one antivirus on the computer will actually cause more problems than help solve. If you do not know how to uninstall a program, I'll walk you through the steps. The first thing we would need to do is right-click the Start button and then click Search, or we can press the Windows key and S to bring up the search and type in Programs and click on Add or Remove Programs. And then from here, you would select a program in this list, left click it, and then choose Uninstall. Once you've completed a successful purchase of PC Matic, you would have got this email from info@PCMatic with the receipt and this link here. To open the link, all we need to do is double click it, and this will open up in our default browser. Now, because I'm on a Windows computer, I'm going to click the Windows icon. But from this link, if you had Android or a macOS device, you would click the respective button. Here are the instructions for installing PC Matic. But because this is a video demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it for you. We get started by clicking the download button. Once the page loads, you should see the file automatically start to download. Because we are in Chrome, it shows on the bottom left, but each browser will have a different location for the downloads file. If you do not see the file downloading, we can click this link here. Now, if we don't see the download happening at all, but we click that button, we can just navigate to the downloads folder by clicking the folders icon and then clicking Downloads, and then right-clicking the PC Matic setup file and choosing Run as Administrator. We're going to click Yes on the prompt. We're going to select our primary language. For me, mine is English. We're going to accept the user agreement. If you wanted to read it before accepting it, you can do so by scrolling with this bar on the right side. And once you're ready to move forward, you can click Accept and then Next. This is the location that the program will be installed, and for our purposes, the default location is just fine. Click Next, and then click Next. This gives us an option to create a desktop shortcut that will appear on our desktop. Click Next, and then Install to start the installation process of PC Matic. And once the setup is complete, we're going to click Finish to launch PC Matic. And that will conclude our discussion for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video where we go over how to log in to PC Matic.